Welcome to Utisam Mathematics. This is where we help students to find their feet when it comes to the study of mathematics. I am on a series, the 7 building blocks of mathematics. Block 4, linear equation in one variable. And under linear equation, today I want to look at equations which involve ratio. So far so good. I have considered about 4 cases. Case 1, method of transposing. Case 2, grouping of like terms. Case 3, equations involving brackets. Case 4, fractional equations. And now the case 5, ratio. So once again, I want to urge you, if you are watching me for the first time, to go back and watch these 4 videos. It will help you to understand this method very well. Let's start. Solve the following equations. Equations which involve ratios. Before I start, there is a concept that you need to know. If A is to B is equal to C is to D, A over B is equal to, and then you cross multiply. That's all that we are going to do. So with this is equal to, on x is equal to, so we cross multiply, 2x is equal to, so we want to find x, divide both sides by x, so 25. So our x is equal to, let's look at p. So this implies that 5p over 45 is equal to 1 on 3. Once again, you cross multiply. So 5p times 3 is equal to 1 times 45. We have 15p is equal to 45. 15 to 45 is 3. So p is equal to 3. Let's look at the next one. X minus 4 is to 42 is equal to 4 is to 21. Yes, as we have been doing, pause the video, work through all these 3 questions, and then you check with the answer that I'm going to get. This implies that x minus 4 over 42 is equal to 4 on 21. So you can cross multiply x minus 4 times 21 is equal to 4 times 42. So we can first divide both sides by 21. 21. So 20 will go into 42 2 times. This will cancel. So you have x minus 4. 4 times 2 is 8. X will be equal to 8 plus 4, which is equal. Next on the screen, we have 4 times a minus 2 is equal to 3b minus, we have to find a on. So let's look at how we go about it. So this implies that, let's expand the left hand side. 4 times a is 4a. 4 times minus 2, we have minus 8 is equal to 3b minus. So now, so we can group the like terms. So 4a, can send this one to this side, is equal to 3b minus 8 plus 8, which implies that 4a is equal to, now we have to find a on b. So first we need to divide through by over b over b. So this b will cancel b. You can rewrite this one as 4 times equal to 3. We want to find a on b. So we divide both sides by 4. So yeah, this 4 cancel 4. So a on b. So let's look at the last question. 5y minus x on 8y plus 3x is equal to 1 over 5. We have to find the ratio of y. You should understand that the ratio of y to x is the same as y is to x. This is how you write it. And this is the same as y. We are finding y on x. That should be the first thing you need to understand. So as usual, let's go through the process. So cross multiply 5 times 5y minus x is equal to 1 times 8y plus 3x. Then expand. 5 times 5y is 25y. And then 5 times minus x, we have 5 minus 5x is equal to 8y plus 3x. So we have a term in y on the left hand side, a term in y on the right hand side. So we group the like terms. 25y, we bring 8y to the left hand side, minus 8y is equal to 3x plus 5x. 25y minus 8y is 17y. 8. So we want to find y on x. So first divide both sides by y. No, it's y on x. So we divide both sides by x rather. So we have 17y over x is equal to 8. Divide both sides by 17y. Y on x is equal to 17. Now we were asked to find y is to x. So we need to write this in a ratio form. So therefore, y is to x becomes 17. So it's not always that you'll be asked to find the fraction. So when you are asked to find the ratio, you need to write your answer in a ratio form like this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. In my next video, I'll be looking at applications of linear equation.